Hey to all my Imvu babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will be helping you guys out. Now, I got a couple of these looks from the vault, so don't mind if you've seen these before, but just know that they are definitely cute. I mean, I haven't seen nobody with it on, so hey, use it while you can.
Heard you got a problem, hey bitch, what that beef about? See my bitches, now you think I'm tripping out. All I working you were doing, bitch, why you creeping out? Pull up to your habitat, bitch, I know your whereabouts, goofy. Bitch, I got them bands, I fuck up a couple commas. Be talking like you dogging, but stay up under your mama. I got a lot of bands, I don't be with all that drama. Keep from running with that funny shit, I'll push up on you. See me with my niggas, yeah, they on go. See them yelling out, yeah, it's free smoke. Say you wish I would, well, bitch, here you go. Got a big beamer, aim at your throat. Heard you got a problem, hey bitch, what that beef about? See my bitches, now you think I'm tripping now. All I working you with.
I know y'all see the outfit. Make sure you guys shop DiiamonDaRealest. This just dropped like literally today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me them down below.